beautiful morning in Gwbert. Look at this morning. Absolutely stunning. We're going to go to two coastal towns over the next 2 days, and both begin with the word new. We'll be doing Newport and New Quay. New Quay's two separate words. We have packed lunch ready for today. Right, let's go. We have arrived in New Quay, West Wales. Be interested to see how wheelchair friendly this place is. So it's Thursday morning and this place looks quite popular. You can have a wander around. Beautiful little harbour here. Would be nice to spot a dolphin or two. Gotta keep our eyes peeled. So the question is New Quay wheelchair friendly? I'd say wheelchair wise, probably quite a challenge because it's quite hilly. But if you have a mobility scooter, I think you can get around alright. My mother-in-law seems to be doing okay anyway. There's always temptations when you come to the seaside, isn't there? Ice cream pasties. It's 17 degrees and it's late September. Absolutely beautiful. Well, New Quay's very nice, very quaint. Definitely worth a visit. I can imagine it's a lot busier of a weekend because it's very popular even now on a Thursday morning. The rest of the coastline stretches northwards. You can see the mountains in the far distance. North Wales straight ahead. Okay, we're going to carry on up the main street. Good morning on our last full day in West Wales. So we're off to the other coastal town, begin with New. We're off to Newport Sands. So we've arrived at Newport Sands, there's the charges, and it's free for 30 minutes. Got a nice large car park. The strange thing about Newport, it's split by the estuary. So Newport Sands, or Newport North, is this side of the estuary, and then the actual village town is actually the other side. So this is a lovely beach. Look at that, stunning. So Newport South, if that's what you want to call it, Newport Village stroke town, it's across there. If it has shops, I can't see them. If it has cafes, again, I can't see them. Let's see if there's a good campsite over there. So I don't really think you can compare Newport to New Quay. Because this place does have a beauty all of its own. For example, look at that coastline. So we're pitching ourselves up for a spot of lunch, aren't we? Picnic.
Beautiful beach.
Yes, lovely beach. So we're set up, ladies are in their chairs. I have the picnic mat with cushion. It is. I'm looking forward to lying down and taking a few rays.